I am Eric Sellal. I am veterinarian. I am the CEO of Biosellal. Biosellal is a biotechnology located in Lyon, in the center of France. The mission is Biosellal is to work mainly on the animal health diagnostic for the detection of the main virus and bacteria from the animals. And since 1 year ago, starting in 2020, we work a lot on the COVID-19 detection, mainly by real-time PCR. In COVID, we are working on the development and validation of a real-time PCR system for the detection, as I told you before, on the COVID-19, but more and more for the specific detection of the variants of the COVID-19. And the variant of the COVID-19 are becoming from a mutation of the genome of the virus, and these mutations are very specific and they are going very fast. So we have to speed up a lot to be able to have a high level of detection of this new variant, which is very important for the spreading of the disease. In our activity now, we have production of ELISA plates for the detection of the antibody or antigen in different types of sample. In this process of production, we use the zoom for the saturation and the stabilization of the antigen, and also for the very important washing step. With the zoom technology, we are able to produce ELISA tests globally for antibody detection with a high quality in terms globally of reproducibility. And reproducibility is one of the specificity of the character. It's very important to assure and to assume the quality of the products. And with the zoom, we are able to reach a level of reproducibility, CV, coefficient of variation of less than 5%. And by the way, we are absolutely sure about the quality of our product. And by the way, to assure also the quality of the results. Biosellal is focusing on the One Health concept. The One Health concept is for us one of the most important goals to achieve in the next year, because we understand that a lot of viruses are starting in animals and after spread to human. And the best example is with the coronavirus, with COVID-19. And in our business, we know very well that the coronavirus are born, let's say, I can say, in the animals and mainly in the poultry. And now they are very dramatic in terms of infection in the human. So to create and to understand the link between the animal diseases and the human diseases is something fundamental and could help us to go fast in the detection and the protection of the new virus for human, and coronavirus could be a very good example.